Welcome to a new episode of Wig Diaries. It has officially been a year since I started this Wig Diaries series, and I'm really excited for today's sponsor because we are sponsored by Wiggins Hair. This is the first ever brand I've ever worked with when I started my journey, so I'm really happy to be working with them again. As per usual, the wig that I'm going to be installing comes with some goodies like this black edge brush, this Wiggins Hair melting band, 2 HD wig caps, as well as 3D lashes. This is a 24-inch body wave 13x4 HD lace frontal wig with 250% density. The unit comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked. As you guys can see, the unit is just giving tea. Like the pre-curls, you don't have to curl if you don't feel like curling. Like just everything, like the quality, the way this wig just sits on me. I haven't even melted it into my skin, girl. It's already giving, like, honestly. Okay, so it is optional, but I just decided to blow dry the curls out, just to not really make it straight, but just to kind of loosen up the curls. I know the look that I wanted to go for, so hence I did go in and blow dry the curls. The quality of this wig, you guys can see, self-explanatory, like so beautiful, stunning, 250 density. I wanted a loose type of body wave look, and it's just literally giving. I haven't even added any product. Like it's such a beautiful unit. Thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love this unit. I went for a very loose type of bombshell look. I absolutely love it. Just everything about this hair is amazing. The quality, I didn't think 24 inches could be this long. Like, it's actually really long. It's giving 30 inches. It's literally right up till my waist and it's 24 inches. So Wiggins Hair just did not come to play when it comes to the inches, when it comes to the quality, the lace, everything. The lace comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked. Like, I literally didn't even need to do anything. You guys can already see it's giving natural hairline. It's just everything about this unit is eating. So thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video. Everything will be linked down. If you want this exact unit, it will be linked down below. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Till next time.